Peter Magro. Soon your new 40k Eldar will come out, Chris. Will you paint any? That's Peter. That's another excellent question. Yes, I will paint some. I definitely will. Rangers. I really don't have a good Ranger detachment in my current army. I usually don't use Rangers. I have tons of bikes and vehicles and planes and stuff like that, and I don't really have a lot of Rangers. So yeah, these new Rangers are nice. I like them. Autark, I'm excited for that. I might even get another Autark with the wings just to see how interchangeable they really are, because they boast that in the article, and I think that's fascinating. And I had asked the question when I was, posting about that video that I was talking about that. And is there any other kit that does that is coming out now, but it will work with another kit that came out 2-3 years ago? I don't even know when that Autark came out. When did that Autark, that plastic Autark with the wings, when did he come out? That was like 3 years ago, maybe more. And then have another kit now come out. Now I realize that, yeah, if he's a CAD program and he's a file sitting there somewhere, and then they make a new one, I'm sure it's probably just as easy to make those things all work. But is there another kit that does that comes out now, but works with a kit that was like 5 years ago, and the parts will interswap, even though there was no inkling of that coming out, and all of a sudden, boom. It's kind of like a patch in a video game, right? Video game comes out a couple weeks later, years, they come out with a patch, and it, corrects a bunch of stuff, and bang, it all works now, and everybody's happy, right? I don't know. But yeah, it's interesting. But yeah, definitely with the new Eldar, I'll be painting those. I can talk Eldar all day long.